UNESCO. Everyone has the right to education. What does the Taj Mahal, the Sydney Opera House, and the Great Wall of China have in common? They're all UNESCO World Heritage Sites. This means that they are important to our history and culture, and their protection and preservation is necessary. This is one of the many projects that UNESCO is involved in. But how much do you know about this organisation? Throughout history, people have always worked hard to find solutions to social problems and protect human rights. During World War II, 1939 to 1945, a number of the Allied governments of European countries met in London. Their goal was to discuss ways of improving education after the war. The result of this was the creation of the United Nations Educational, Scientific and Cultural Organization, in short, UNESCO. Its mission was to help build peace and security and wipe out poverty. How were they going to do this? They wanted to help countries communicate with one another through education, the sciences and culture. Since then, the organisation has worked hard to improve education worldwide. This is because they believe that it is the key to social and economic development. Today, the organisation has more than 190 member countries, and its headquarters are in Paris. It also celebrates cultural differences and tries to promote respect and dialogue between countries. It has taken steps to improve the standard of living in Africa and reduce inequalities between men and women. It does a lot of other work too. For example, it is involved in many wildlife conservation projects. In 2000, it introduced a new project to protect the forests of the Democratic Republic of Congo. These forests are very important to the lives of both animals and people. They make up half of the total area of the African tropical rainforest. Many rare species like the bonobo, an endangered type of chimpanzee, find shelter in this forest. Another one of UNESCO's central goals is protecting our cultural heritage. It has founded and funded a lot of humanitarian, scientific and cultural projects. It has also helped protect a number of historic monuments and natural habitats. Famous examples are the Acropolis in Athens, Greece, and the Great Barrier Reef in Australia. Did you know that there are hundreds of UNESCO World Heritage Sites in all the 7 continents of the world? The list is huge, and every year new sites are added to the list. So far, UNESCO has improved the lives of millions of people across the planet by providing them with education. The history of UNESCO shows us how people across countries can work together to make our world a better place.